A deplorable tragedy has occurred here. Mobius Corps took over the research facility and used it to create their monstrosities. I can take them down using their own prototype mech, the Balius. Gather parts so that we can activate it, and be quick about it.
Formidable advantage against our foes. I am detecting hostile Zerg.
Your allies' base is besieged. You have not enough minerals.
Prepare yourselves. The enemy is inbound on our base.
Your warriors have engaged.
My blades are ready once more.
Your warriors have engaged. Your allies are in battle.
We have half of the Balius parts now.
I shall find a way.
Your allies' base is besieged.
My allegiance is yours. Glory to the Daylon. Honor commands. This fragment will be safe now.
You have not enough minerals.
I bring wisdom in time. My allegiance. Very good. Honor.
Your allies are in battle.
We must not hesitate. And Arudim.
Your allies are in battle. Your allies are in battle.
I seek the path of salvation. I shall find a way. My allegiance. They're coming to threaten our base, but we shall answer. Glory to the...
You are efficient, aren't you? We're set for parts now. I'm making the final preparations for the Balius's deployment. Expect to see me out there soon.
Honor command.
Your allies are in battle.
I shall find prophecy. I'm here in the shadows. I see. I shall focus my search for the artifact in this location. I shall find
Your allies' base is besieged.
my allegiance.
I have new intel. Mobius Core is attempting to evacuate key research material while we're distracted with the hybrid. Find their train and destroy it. That's an order. Ready for action. I'm approaching the hybrid's containment cell.
I will.
Your allies are in battle.
Honor commands.
You have not enough minerals.
My burdens.
Your allies are in battle. Base is under attack. You have not.
Let our enemy know. I bring wisdom.
Your warriors have engaged the enemy. Base is under attack. Your allies are in battle. Your allies are in battle. Your allies' base is besieged.
I seek the path.
You have not enough minerals. You have not. Your allies are in battle.
Your chance to attack this train is slipping away.
Our base is in peril. We should protect it with all we have.
Your allies are in battle. Your allies are in battle.
My allegiance is yours. I bring wisdom in times of chaos.
Base is under attack. Your allies are in battle. Your warriors have Your allies are in battle.
The prophecy.
There goes the train. I wonder how many innocent people will die because it got away.
Here in the shadows. My burdens. This reassembled artifact holds great power. I bring and that shall be of use. State thy bidding. I bring wisdom.
Your allies are in warriors have engaged the enemy.
I am here in the shadows. Shall find a way.
Your allies are in battle.
Harudin Rashagal. You
I've cracked the containment cell. Hybrid target acquired.
all shall submit.
I have to fall back for repairs. Kill the hybrid, no matter what happens.
Glory to the day. Must not hesitate.
Your warriors have engaged the enemy.
Our foes are headed for us. Be ready to defend.
I'm afraid the Balius requires additional parts after that fight. Construction material needs have been met. Your cooperation is appreciated. Combat systems are up and running. Safety tests still pending, so be patient. You did it, Commanders. This hybrid threat has been annihilated.
Your allies' base is besieged.
Let our enemy. I sense that an artifact fragment is located.
They're sending a second train. Intercept it. Launch an assault on the train.
Let our enemy know our fury.
Your allies' base is besieged.
Hybrid cell identified. The Balius is headed to it.
You address me?
Your warriors have engaged the enemy. Your warriors have engaged the enemy.
My burden weigh heavily.
Your allies' base is besieged. Your allies are in battle.
I will fulfill my calling. You address me? My allegiance is yours.
Your allies are in battle.
I bring
This train has nearly escaped. Pay attention.
prophecy. You Adun Toridas. You address me? Glory to the day. My allegiance is yours.
Your allies
The enemy is en route to our base. Nerazim, ignite your blades.
Structural integrity has been compromised. This will be my last hit, for now.
allies' base is besieged.
The prophet.
Only a technician can fix the mech now. You're on your own.
I'm here in the shadows.
All shall submit.
And
Your allies are in battle.
Shazak Maknul. I bring wisdom in times of chaos.
Your allies are in battle.
Our foes are cloaked in shadow. A familiar trick.
Allies are in battle. Your allies' base is besieged. Your allies are in battle. Your allies are in battle. Your warriors have engaged the enemy.
The Balius took significant damage in that encounter. I'm gonna need more parts. Well, would you look at that? We have enough parts for launch. Evaluating pre-launch diagnostics. This will only take a bit. I didn't think you could pull that off alone, but I'm glad to be wrong.
Arudin Rashagal. My allegiance.
The enemy's attack will be upon us soon.
Shazak Maknul. My allegiance is yours. I bring. Let our enemy know our fury. My allegiance is.
This is General Davis reporting in. The Balius is en route to its target.
Your warriors have engaged. Your allies are in battle. Your warriors have engaged.
Here in the shadows.
base is besieged.
Honor commands.
Base is under attack.
The prophet.
Your allies' base is besieged. Your allies are in battle.
An artifact fragment is hidden near here.
Your allies are in battle.
My allegiance. I am here in the shadows. Honor.
Your allies' base is besieged.
En Arudi Rashagal. The prophet. We must not.
Your allies are in battle. You have not enough minerals.
We must not hesitate. En Arudi.
You have not enough minerals. Your allies' base is besieged.
My burdens weigh heavy.
Containment cell down. Focus on the hybrid.
All shall submit.
Even now, enemies descend on our base.
I will admit, you fight with skill.